Okay guys, we got a 2017 Nissan Frontier here. This one's a kind of a funny one because when you think of the common denominator, you don't know what's going on. So originally it had no blower motor, that wasn't working. And then the customer stated when the blower motor went out, they also had no windows, no electric windows. And of course, you know, if you're a mechanic, that there's not much of a common denominator between the two of those other than maybe a BCM. So, and the other thing was the turn signals. They didn't work either. And nothing on the doors. Door locks, power windows, power mirrors, etc. So we tried to find the common denominator between the three, and of course it ends up being the body control module. But I want you to check this out if you have this vehicle, because it could be a common issue, I'm not sure. The body control module is powered by a fusible link that comes off of the battery. When I started wiggling this, everything started working. And then I looked down at the fusible link. I had power on both sides, but if you look real closely, you'll see that's melted right there. That was the issue right there. As soon as we pulled this up and wiggled it, everything kicked on. So this fusible link is bad somewhere right inside here, and it shut down all of those things. So sometimes finding the common denominator can help you. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.